Hello again. Look at this beautiful view. The water.
There's the Philippines. Philippines.
Alaska, Arizona. Where's the Philippines you're talking about?
Over there.
Yeah.
Virgin Islands, Philippines.
Oh, can I go look at a picture? Yeah, we can take a round on there.
Arizona, probably got all the states, huh?
Alright, it's by state. Alaska, we live there 9.5 years, me. Puerto Rico, and this is the country that I'm representing, Philippines. Born and raised in the Philippines. We have one part in here, the Philippines.
There's the Pacific over there.
Yeah, this is Atlantic down here on the other side. So I will show you around all this nice view. Right now we're in the Pacific Atlantic water. What is it? Water fountain. Victory on land. World. Oh, what?
Let's get a picture of that.
Okay. Wow, it's a dove. And then all the way that there, it is different states and different country. So all this block represent by state, country, or something like that, that belongs for this whole Atlantic. Yeah, it's a dove that signed for peace. Yeah, Atlantic. And the other side is Pacific. Right there. The other side is Pacific. And this one is Atlantic. Like dove with a reeds. See that Texas, Michigan, right there. It's so beautiful. The view is pretty good. Right now it's pretty good. The weather is sunny, and now it's a lot of people. Look at that, how pretty it is. There we go. We have to read this one. Here we mark the price of freedom. Washington D.C. Guam. Philippine Sea. Where in Manila? Okay, because Pacific, Shannon.
Yeah, we're on the Pacific side now.
Manila, we're in the Pacific, Atlantic and Pacific.
Yeah, you're in the Pacific Ocean.
Yeah.
There's a whole nother country over there.
So this is what it represents for. Philippine Sea. See, Central Pacific.
Guam,
Oh,
South Pacific probably.
China, Burma, India. Okay, look at this.
Harbor in Hawaii.
Pearl Harbor, yeah.
There's Mr. Lincoln. Big island.
Where is that? We're sharing this view, the water fountain, and yeah, it's pretty, very pretty, and it's a lot of people today. Look at that, how pretty it is. It's kind of hot, but I'm enjoying it. We're enjoying it. My whole family is enjoying it. So look at this. Are you allowed to do that? Look at him now. Hello again. Look at this beautiful view. The water. The Atlantic Pacific. Now we're resting. Our feet is really tired and so we're here right now resting. There's like a bench around to it that people sit around and resting too, and also they resting on like next to the water. So we're just gonna take ourselves a break. it's a long walk. It's a lot of walking, and we forgot our water bottle, so we should bring a water bottle because, like I said, too much walking, and it's a long walk from the hotel and go to this area, the attraction scenery, and it's beautiful, very relaxing. That's how our journey right now, and we might go to Lincoln Memorial Stadium, I believe. A little bit walk also, and yeah, and today it's pretty bright. Like I said, it's very pretty, and look at in front of me, the view. Now we're on the way to Lincoln Memorial Park. See, it's so cute. There's bikes around, riding bikes around.